Hi guys! Today we're coming with my brother, Patrick. Vivier. Lives in the house.
I live in the house with you.
Yeah, I do.
Throw your poop away.
Poop away. So,
I need to sit down.
I'm gonna, yeah. Me and him are gonna sing together.
No, we're not.
Why? We sound good.
Whatever.
Hey, stop covering up the sunset shells with the towel. Is that how you hide things?
No. But, like, you didn't throw it away in any of that. Okay, hold on. Well, we can just dust it off. I need to sit down.
Don't sit on the towel.
I will. Okay.
Because I feel like it. Like, remember this morning? Why didn't we take a shower last night? Because we didn't feel like it.
Oh yeah. And I was just like, gee, I gotta back. I was so mad at you. And I was also so mad at you this morning because you kept on like bitching around on me because you wanted to straighten it. And I was in my bedroom with a little tiny mirror trying to act all pitiful, like laying on my floor doing my hair and stuff.
You don't have to do your hair in the morning.
Yeah, I do because it looks like cool. Ew, what the heck? What the heck was that?
That's gross.
What the heck was that?
What?
Was it like the... Oh, that was that.
Like the ugliest face you ever made.
I haven't made it the other day, so stop looking at me. Stop!
Oh, I have some shoes today.
Here.
They're really pretty. But you can't see. Oh, there we go. Well, if you can tell, I got some new tattoos.
Whatever, you're only 10. You're only 10, honey. They're like fake tattoos.
That one goes in the dark. I like this heart one.
Ew.
Blue. I can make it no bigger.
Ew. Kasey, stop. You're just embarrassing yourself. Ew. My sister's like a tomboy. But a pretty one. Kasey, stop! For real.
Who stinks in here? Did you fart or something?
That makes me want to throw up like so badly. We need them. I will.
We're gonna end this video.
Okay, bye.
It's gonna name the burp.
It stinks over here.
Shut up.